Enhance your living space with the luxury of motorized wave header curtains from Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited. These floor-to-ceiling curtains combine modern technology with sophisticated style. Effortlessly control natural light and privacy with the touch of a button. Our smart curtains are designed to glide seamlessly, offering a sleek and elegant finish to your living room. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home, control your curtains from anywhere using your smartphone or remote. Customize the ambience at any time, from anywhere. Perfect for large windows. Our motorized wave header curtains also help improve energy efficiency by managing heat and light with precision. Transform your living room with us. Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited. Total shading solutions. Automation specialists.